Everyone, today's interview is going to be in English. Want to say for me, I met Darius while I was in Denver, and I was so inspired by his story. እንዘርትም መታለች ሚሲ ከመጀመራችን በፊት ሩትን እየጠበቅኳት ነበር። ሩትዬ if you are here, if you can see us, join us እንግዲህ ካለበዛ መሀል ላይ ያሚንም I see her. Yamin and join us. ሰላም ብሩክታይት እንዝርትዬ እንዴት ነሽ? ሰማሻል?
ሰላም ፍታይ እንዴት ነህ?
እንዴት ነሽ? እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን።
ከላይ ከታችም ያላችሁ እንዴት ናችሁ? nice to see you. I feel it የተሳሰረብኝ to see you like last time ሳላገኝህ በድጋሚ ሄድኩ።
I know ሩጫ ሰዓት ሆነና እመለሳለሁ አሁን እንግዲህ እንደምን ብለን okay ጥሩ እንግዲህ እሺ let me start over እንግዲህ አሁን ፕሮግራማችን ጀምራለን። እዚህ ያላችሁ ታፕ በማድረግ ሼር በማድረግ especially የዴሪየስ አካውንትን ፎሎ በማድረግ hopefully I don't know መሀል ላይ ቲክቶክ ያለው ካደረገው ባለው I think I see he has about 52 I think 10 followers ሲጀምር 42 ነበር። እስኪ እዚህ ያላችሁ በሙሉ ካደረጋችሁት I think he will be over 150 leaders ስለሚችል ፎሎ እንድታደርጉት ታፕ እያደረጋችሁ እንድትቆዩ እንጋብዛችኋለን ማለት ነው። So like I said, the interview is going to be in English today because we have a little boy that speaks English. He does understand a little bit of Amharic in there, and then we'll take it from there. For me, I met Darius when I was in Denver, but I have seen his book and also on Amazon. I am honored to have a book signed by Darius, as you can see. I have my own special book. So each of you, if you want to sign the book, you can reach out to Darius' account to his mom, and then you'll be able to get your own book. If not, you'll be able to get it directly also from Amazon. The reason I wanted to do this program, as you all know, የእውቀት ጉርሻ ብለን የምንሰራው በየሳምንቱ it's knowledge feeding. I love bringing writers. I love bringing we need to develop more readers and then writers, because that's the only way we can pass history. That's the only way we can grow. That's the only way we can definitely develop each other. And the books we don't read, that's what's hurting us. And anybody inspired enough to go through something hard and terrible in life, being able to turn it into a lesson, that's what's happening with Darius. Darius had like a very rare disease that he was diagnosed with. And then through that struggle, he turned it into a story, what he was able to go through. And now he's bringing it not only to all of us. I mean, that's something that helped him to get through life, but at the same time, whatever experience that he went through, he put it in writing for all of us to be able to read and touch and understand and be part of his life story. So this is an invitation to get to know him more, to get to know what he went through, to get to know what he understood, to get to know at this young age. At 7 years old, he was diagnosed. Now he's 10. He's bringing a life lesson for all of us. So let's start with Darius and his mom. Unfortunately, like I said, they're not able to turn their video because they don't have enough followers. So all of you have one job here to make sure to follow, to give them enough followers. And hopefully before the end of the show, I'm not sure if it does allow us right away, you may be able to see his face and his mom. So Darius and Yati, welcome. Thank you very much for giving me this honor, even though we did a little bit of interview when I was in Denver. And this is another way that we are coming in to connect. So Darius and Yati, please say hello.
Hello, thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Okay. So Darius, can you introduce yourself a little bit? Tell us how old you are, your name, and what grade you are in. Tell us a little bit about yourself before we divulge into the book. Just a little bit of an introduction.
Okay. Hi, my name's Darius. I'm 10 years old. I'll be turning 11 in a few days, and I'm in 5th grade.
ያትዬ አንቺም ሰላም ማለት ከፈለግሽ Darius' mom. Please say hello.
በጣም እናመሰግናለን የፍትዬ ሁላችሁም ጆይን ያደረጋችሁ ሰፖርት ለማድረግ በጣም እናመሰግናለን። በጣም ይሄ he's very excited. I wish you can see his face. አንተ ግን ሚት አድርገዋል፣ ያው አይተዋል፣ ታውቀዋለህ። ያ ፍሪዬም ታውቂዋለሽ፣ ያው ሁላችሁም ታውቁታላችሁ። አሚን ፍሪዬና የፍቲ ያውቁታል። ግን ኔክስት ታይም ሆፕፉሊ when he have I think also restrict ያደረጉት እድሜው ደግሞ ይመስለኛል you know like አስር ስለሆነ ማለት ነው ቲክቶክ ላይ
maybe I'm not sure እሱን አላወኩትም በእድሜ ይሁን በፎሎወር
ፎሎወር ሜቢ ሊሆንም ይችላል yes absolutely I don't know እና በጣም እናመሰግናለን ሁላችሁም በመግባታችሁ ሰፖርት ለማድረግ ዴሪየስን እግዚአብሔር ይስጥልን
thank you so I'm going to read a little bit of synopsis like you have on Amazon. It says a bump beating the odds. I like the way it's written. It says a boy called Darius, a story about a boy, his love of basketball, phase, family, and how he overcame a major obstacle. It says young Darius Mikhail Husky had a dream. Since he was 4, he wanted to play basketball to become an NBA player. Since he was 4, he watched basketball on TV when he was at home. Since he was 4, he has memorized the plays and moves of great players. At 7, a bump on his head revealed he had a rare disorder called Langhorne cell histiocytosis. His body.
he can say it himself
I'm gonna make him say it. His body was making too many of the white blood cells that impacted his immune system. 1 out of 200,000 children are impacted a year. Wow. LCH could easily destroy his dreams and him, and if it wasn't immediately treated. This is Darius' story, what he did so he could start living his dream again. And he dreams, eats and plays basketball. He lives with his family in Colorado. So just by that itself is so inspiring to be able to understand what we're going to be able to learn today. So welcome, Darius. So tell us a little bit, and then I'm going to try to go a little bit through the cover, and then to have your story note. So when did you find out? I know in here as a title that you have, my story, everything started moving fast. So we're going to be able to go divulge in and touch in a little bit through the book. So tell us, when did you find out you had a rare blood disorder?
Yeah, so I found out when I was 6, turning 7 actually. That day I was diagnosed, it was actually on my birthday.
Wow. So how did you find out what happened? What led for you to be diagnosed?
The blessing was that I was horseplaying with my dad, and I accidentally hit my head on the table, and so the bump became bigger. So it was more noticeable. So then we went to the doctor's office and try to see if it was serious or not.
Okay, so that bump led into the discovery. So I love the way you have it in here. So you're going to be able to describe it. The bump on my head that would not go away. So what would that bump look like? So I know you just described it, that you were playing horse with your dad, and then did you find out right away, or you had to wait in order to find out about your diagnosis?
Like it wasn't very noticeable, so I didn't really find out right away. So the good news about that was when I did do that, it like was more noticeable. So then so then we could realize that, oh, this is something serious.
Okay. We will go to it on when you got the phone call, when you had to go to it with your mom. I think the way you have it, so I like the way you wrote it in there. But before we get started, I want to, can you read where it says my author's note to you? Can you read that part for us?
Yes.
Please go ahead.
Okay.
While he's reading, for those who are just joining, we're doing the interview today in English. It's about the story that he had a rare blood disorder. A boy named Darius. It's on Amazon that you're all able to get it. Very little book that you can finish in a day, but you're going to be so inspired on how a 7-year-old went through something hard and turned it into a successful story to share with all of us. So go ahead, Darius.
My author's note to you. This is my story, a story that includes how I overcame a major obstacle in a serious health scare. It is also about my love of basketball, a basketball development road that has been far from easy. It is also my story of encouragement. As sick as I was with a rare immune deficiency, I do not give up on my dreams. My dreams of becoming an NBA player, a desire I've had since I was 4 years old. One of my all-time favorite basketball players is Kobe Bryant. He said, "Everything negative, pressures, challenges is all an opportunity for me to rise." That's where I am. That's where I was. I was so sick. Everyone has hurdles to conquer. Don't give up. I love to play basketball, and I do so with the help of my family, friends, and coaches. When I was having my chemo treatments, I would visualize my mom and doctors telling me that would be over soon. And I visualized that I was cured and that I would no longer need chemo to fight what had overtaken my body. As you read my story, you will learn how I am becoming a rising star in AAU basketball, which has already given me the opportunity for competitive play in several states. As I write this, I am in 5th grade and 10 years old.
Thank you. Very inspiration, just reading that part. So we will divulge a little bit how the diagnosis come and what you went through, and then how you turned all of that into a book for all of us to be able to discuss. And then the audience will be able to ask some question, be able to interact through this process. So for all of you who are here, please make sure to tap, and definitely please make sure to follow A Boy Named Darius account so that you can get to learn a lot about this kid and how to be inspired. So as a child, I know in there it says since you were 4. When did you start? Do you remember when the first time that you watched a basketball game, or when you wanted to become an NBA player? It says when you were 4. Tell us why you loved basketball.
So yeah, my dad's side of the family's roots is basically basketball. So since I was born, basketball is like culture for my dad's side of the family. So at a young age, I was just around it, watching TV, etc.
What position do you like to play when you play basketball?
I play point guard for my AAU team. I feel like that's one of the most important jobs, just because like you have to be like a good decision maker.
Okay, so I like that. So let's go to the day. I'm going through your book, through the titles that you have written. So you mentioned earlier about the bump. When you first had the bump, and then there was a communication at some point in the book, it says your mom or your dad, I think, told you, the doctor is saying it's something serious that we're gonna have to be checked. So when you find out from your mom or dad that that bump was something serious, what did you feel?
To be honest, me being at a young age, I didn't really think too much of it because I really didn't know how serious it was.
Didn't understand it. So your mom and dad. And then I think it was on a Monday, I believe, from your book, if I remember, that you all had to go to the hospital, correct?
Correct.
Tell us a little bit what that Monday looked like when you went to the doctors. What did you find out?
I found out that I was diagnosed with something, the LCH, and I can pronounce it now, Langerhans cell histiocytosis. Like I said, being at a young age, I didn't really know of it, and I didn't really think too much of it, but the look on my mom and dad's face, I knew something was serious.
Wow. I think you were 7, correct?
Yes, I was 7.
At 7 years old, being able to realize by looking at your mom and dad. And that's really, really smart of you, wise. So when you found out it's something serious, what did you ask any question, or how did you handle it when you found out?
I didn't ask any questions. I just visualized what would it be like, and I just meditated on the thought that I was diagnosed with something without actually knowing anything about it.
Okay. And then ያቲ ወደ አንቺ ብመጣ በደይ በቃ ያን ቀን ተደውሎላችሁ ሲሪየስ ነው ሊባል ነውና ምን ተሰማሽ ያንን ቀን ሄዳችሁ ሲነገራችሁ?
በጣም ይከብድ ነበር ለማንም ሰው ይሄ እንዳይደርስበት በጣም ስለ ኤክስፕረስ ማታረግበት መንገድ እሱም ራሱ ያለቅሳል he doesn't remember እንጂ he used to cry like ዝም ብሎ እኛን እያየ especially me I was like I don't want to do this I don't want him to go through chemo I want to research more options ምናምን ስላቸው was a lot of disagreement between me and his dad እና ብዙ ችግር ነበር ግን finally we luckily one of my friends is a doctor so also neighboraችን ደግሞ አጋጣሚ ሆኖ is I don't know how it happens ገና የ18 ወር ያለች የነሱ ልጅ እንደዚያ ዲያግኖስ ሆና ነበር LCH አባቱ ሳር እየቆረጠ ከውጭ ቁጭ ብሎ እኔ ዲስአግሪ አድርጌ መጥተናል አልፈርምም ብዬ ብራያን ደግሞ like we have to do the quick ሲለኝ I said no it was a turning point for me my neighbor at age of 18 months ምንም ማትናገር ምንም ማትጋገር ልጅ እንደዚህ አጋጥሟት ነበር እሷ ደግሞ ጆሮዋ ላይ ነው በጆሮዋ ላይ ነው ፋይንድ አውት ያደረጉት LCH እንዳላት መጽሐፉ ላይም አለች so ከዚያ በኋላ ሂጅ ያነጋገርኳቸው ምናምን ቁጭ ብዬ for a couple hours that girl is now she is 30 years old maybe Emily 30 ዓመት she's healthy she's good curable now ምናምን ስትለኝ I was like so we're gonna I called that morning and we just start the process right away
so ለማያውቀው ሰው LCH ምንድን ነው?
It is immune disease like a white cell blood cell no it's like it's curable ግን take care ካላረከው ደግሞ ስፕሬድ ያደርግና ወደ ሌላ ወደ ኦርጋን ምናምን damage ያደርጋል so it can go a lot of places ግን ወዲያውኑ take care ከተደረገ እንደ እብጠት ነገር ነው እጢ የሚባል እንደ አገር ቤት I think እጢ ነው የሚሉት መሰለኝ so he had it in his head ያሳየሁት ባ እሱ right away ለቀቀ ወጣ ማለት ነው። only the one we have to take care of was his rib, you know, እብጠት የነበረ ማለት ነው። እንደ እጢ ነው የሚባለው በአማርኛ? Yeah, that's it. ግን it could be serious too. አንዳንዴ more than one ካላቸው only one or two I mean one only ከሆነ ራሱ ሊጠፋ ይችላል።
Yeah.
You just have to watch it. More than two ከሆነ ግን you have to take care of it.
It's kind of like it's a lot of blood cells, like too many blood cells.
Too many blood cells. Okay.
White blood cells.
So it's hard to understand, like I said, for us, just first time finding out or whatever. But for you, when you found out, I think ላንቺም እግዚአብሔር ብሎ ያስቀመጠው ይመስለኛል over 200, I mean 1 of 200,000, but I'm rare በሆነ መንገድ you found ኔበርሽም እንደዛ መሆኑ I think it helped accept አድርጎ ምን ማድረግ አለብሽ የሚለውን ነገር I think እግዚአብሔር ነው ብያስ
እግዚአብሔር ረዳታ እንደገና ደግሞ his primary doctor actually we went 3 times visit አታቆም LCH she doesn't know what it's like almost 90 rare disease you have to do your research quick በጣም በፍጥነት research ማድረግ አለበት because some of even 98% the doctor they don't know LCH 98%. So it's a rare disease. Luckily we lucky because in Colorado የታወቀ ነው ሆስፒታሉ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ሆስፒታል ከሌላ ስቴት እየመጡ ከብዙ ሀገር እየመጡ ነው የሚታከሙት እዚህ so it is not like rare disease ሲባል ቀላል አይደለም like you have to do research quick ሌላ ቦታ ሳይደርስ ሌላ ነገር ሳይፈጠር ምንም አይሆንም ምናምን ማለት አልፈለኩም ግን ደግሞ should I act right away ደግሞ ሪሰርች ማድረግ ፈለኩ that was it እንጂ ቶሎ ብለን አክት ማድረግ እንደነበረብን አቅ ነበር ግን ባንዴ ደግሞ ዲሳይድ ማድረግ ይከብዳል
correct
yeah እንደገና ደግሞ actually ጸሎትም በጣም ይረዳል በቃ
okay when you found out እንግዲህ እንደደረሳችሁ እንዳያችሁት ባስ ያስፈልጓችሁ ፕሮግኖሲሱ ምንድነው ማድረግ ያለባችሁ ትሪትመንቱ ምን መሆን አለበት ምን ነው ያስረዷችሁ
actually it's a long process መድኃኒት የሰጡት ማአት ነበር ግን if this happen if he's start happening bleeding ምናምን luckily we was like የሱ ሲቪር ስላልነበረ ሁለት መድኃኒት ብቻ ነበር ኪሞና ስቴሮይድ ብቻ ነበር የሚወስደው እና መድኃኒቱ ቶሎ እየቀነሰ መጣ በሳምንት አንዴ በየሁለት ቀኑ ነበር የምንሄደው ከዚያ በሳምንት ከዚያ በሁለት ሳምንት ከዚያ በሶስት ሳምንት ከዚያ በወር እየተባለ አንድ አመት ሄድን ማለት ነው actually exactly we went to 11 months because የለም ስለሌለ he doesn't need the treatment ብሎ አቋረጡት ማለት ነው እና restriction ደግሞ you have to follow ምግብ he cannot eat canned food he cannot eat open የሆነ ምግብ ዝም ብሎ like ሰርተህ ዝም ብለ 20 minutes even 5 minutes ክፍት መተው አትችልም አሁን ሽሮ ከሰራውለት he have to eat it right away left over መብላት አይችልም you have to really clean like immune system ስለሆነ so እሱ process በሙሉ ክላስ ወስጃለሁ like nutrition class ሄድን ወሰን so I follow every direction they gave me even extra ነበር ማረገው ከሰጡኝ ማለት ነው
so that's a lot so Darius let me come to you when you found out that you have LCH and then they had to sit down and talk to you about the treatment plan what you have to do so how much did you understand what they were trying to do or what was happening to your body what did you understand how much did you understand
actually I had like zero interpretation of the like food diet and the regulations I had to follow. I was just like confused, very confused, and we kind of had to talk it over with my mom and dad, not really knowing about it.
Wow. And then once you found out that the diet restriction that you have to do, the treatment that you have to do, so how did it? So tell me about the treatment. What was hard out of the treatments that you had to follow? Which one did you find it to be hard?
I found it to be hard. It was kind of funny. I like eating sweets a lot back then, so I couldn't eat as much sweets as I used to.
Okay, not eating sweet. That was the hardest. Could you do any activities? I know you love basketball. So when you found out that you have this diagnosis, were they telling you that you couldn't do any exercise or any basketball or any sport?
At first, we didn't know. We didn't really know until we spoke with our doctor, and that was later through the process around when I was getting chemotherapy, and that was like 6 weeks later. So we didn't know at first.
So you had to start chemotherapy right away, or you had to wait?
We went
14 days. Maybe.
Yeah, 14 days maybe.
Yeah, 14 days. So መስና እንግዲህ እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ስንሰማ ሬር ነው። ልጅሽ በዚህ በኩል ያልፋል። ኪሞቴራፒ ቅድም እንዳልሽው ያስደነግጣል። በዛ ፕሮሰስ ውስጥ እንድታልፊ ለቤተሰቦቻችሁ ምን ጠቀመሽ? እንዴት ነው አክሰፕት በቀድ ቶሎ ማድረግ አለብን። አክሰፕት ካደረግሽ በኋላ ደግሞ ትሪትመንቱን ምን መሆን አለበት የሚለውን ለመጠየቅ ለማድረግ ከባድ ነገር ነውና ስፔሻሊ 7 ዓመት ልጅ ይዞ መንቀሳቀስ ምን ላንቺ ምን ጠቀመሽ? ያንን ነገር ፕሮሰሱን አውቆ ወደ ትሪትመንት መሄድ አለብን የሚለውን ነገር ያንን ጀርኒ እስኪ ንገሪን።
አክቹሊ በጣም ክሎዝ የሆኑ ቤተሰቦቼ በጣም ክሎዝ ነን። ያው እንደገና ደግሞ ጓደኞች አሉኝ፣ በጣም ጥሩ ጓደኞች አሉኝ። በጣም የማምናቸውን ሰዎች ነገርኳቸው ማለት ነው። ላይክ በጸሎት አግዙን እንደዚህ ተፈጥሯል ምናምን ስላቸው ኮቪድም ነበር። ሶ support that time supporting was very important and positive support አይደለ ኔጌቲቭ ነገር ካሉኝ ለምን ልጅ እኮ ነው ይጠፋል ምናምን ካሉኝ ጆሮአቸው ላይ ነው መዘጋባቸው የነበረ because the only thing I want to hear is like positive. I know በክፋት አይደለም እነሱ እንደዚያ የሚነግሩኝ ግን the only thing I want to hear is like everything is positive. I know negative እንዳለ ሆኖ ግን ኔጌቲቭ መስማት አልፈልግም ነበር። the only thing is በቃ ምንም ነገር እንዳትሉኝ ጸሎት አድርጉልኝ ሪሰርችም እያደረኩ ነው he will be fine እንደገና ደግሞ we go church like ወደ ትሪትመንት ስንሄድ ቸርች ሳንደርስ አንመለስም አንሄድም we don't go to the hospital ቸርች ሳንሄድ ማለት ነው ሁሌ ማርያም ቸርች ስታፕ አድርገን ምናምን ጸልየን ምናምን ነው የምንሄደው እና I think just ጸሎትም የፋሚሊዎቼ እና የፍሬንዶቼ ሰፖርት እሱ ነው በቃ እንደዚያ to go forward.
Definitely. ያ ጸሎት ህብረተሰብ ቤተሰብ በጣም የሚያስፈልግበት ሰዓት ነው ስፔሻሊ እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር መኖሩ so happy ይሄንንም ስላጋጠመሽ እና ያን ነገር ማረፍ ስለቻለሽ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን ነው Darius, if I can have you read from page 36.
Okay.
Tell me when you have it open.
Okay. Okay, I'm almost there. Yeah, I have it open.
So go to where it says Monday morning, halfway.
Okay, yes, I see that.
So from there, I'm going to have you read it until on the second page. I'll tell you when to stop. So if you can start from Monday morning.
Okay. Monday morning came, and Mom and Dad and I headed to the center. Mom was scared. Dad acted normal. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't feel that whatever was wrong was that serious. I wasn't dead, so it couldn't be serious, right? That's all I thought as a 7-year-old. The nurse gave me an iPad so I could play games. Then they spoke with my mom and dad about what was wrong with me and what their plan for my treatment would be. The games on the iPad did what the doctors wanted. I was distracted. I was zoned out to what was being said. I could tell Mom and Dad were upset, even angry. I looked up from the game I was playing. Mom started asking a lot of questions. Dad just wanted to hear what the treatment would be. The words the doctors were using unfamiliar to me. To my parents, they seemed to slow down and change up some of the words they were using. I didn't understand any of the words that they were saying and went back to my game. All I knew was that Mom was not happy with the woman doctor. She was too loud and negative. I was engaged in my iPad games, and I didn't hear the part about not being able to do anything with the illness I had. The diagnosis meant that I would not be able to play sports.
Okay.
If I had
I can have you stop there. So, because I wanted you to stop right there. One, as a 7-year-old, it's so tough to be able to understand anything. It is a tough situation, but you could see that commotion. Your mom and dad are upset. They're trying to understand what's happening to you. It's new for them, and you are playing back and forth from your game. So, is there at some point you understood what was happening?
Yeah, so I understood later on, like a few weeks after I did treatment and stuff, and I started to absorb like the details and understand it more.
Okay. And then the last line that you said, the diagnosis meant that I wouldn't be able to play sport. When you heard that, you were scared, mad, upset. What were you saying? How did you feel at that moment?
I was mad, sad, a lot of emotions arised. I felt like there wasn't like any purpose for me because there was the dream that meant a lot to me. I couldn't really do, and so it didn't really make me feel happy.
I'm sorry to hear that. Like a 7-year-old, all the dream that you have, it seems like it's going to end by just listening to something that you never heard of a disease. And that's really not fair that you have to go through something like that. But your story did not end there. So tell me after that, what do you remember the whole year look like? What did you go through? How was the treatment? How much did it affect you? How did you understand it? So take us a little bit through that journey.
Okay, so the chemo treatment was a long process. There was segments of it. Each was 6 weeks. It was hard. At first it was twice in a week to go at early, and I had a port and I had to get head surgery. It was hard. The chemo is not fun, by the way. It was very energy draining and a long process.
Definitely chemo is tough. ያቲ ወደ አንቺ ልምጣና ኪሞ ሲባል ብዙ ጊዜ የምንሰማው ለካንሰር ለሌላ ነገር ነውና ኪሞ ትሪትመንት ያስፈልገዋል ሲባል ምን ተሰማሽ ወይስ እንዴት ነው የተረዳሽው?
Actually, rare disease ስለሆነ has to be treated at the Cancer and Blood Disorder Center. And ከ200,000 እንግዲህ ለብቻው ህክምና አይከፍቱ. So my first question was, is it a cancer? They was like, no, it's a rare disease. There is like 100 of chemotherapy. And this like ከመቶ በላይ chemotherapy ያለ medication. This is a curable disease. And now ሲሉን you know, it was not fun to go through to that center. ግን ሌላዎቹ ደግሞ ስታይ ከሱ የባሱ ስታይ ደግሞ you be like, this is nothing, you know, ምንም አይደለም ለሱ ምናምን ብለህ ተጽናንተህ ትወጣለህ እንጂ that center is very scary, very scary. Yeah, 7th floor now. The warding is there is like huge. You see, ጸጉራቸውን ልዝ አድርገው ምናምን በዊልቸር በቃ በጣም ነው የሚያሳዝነው። በተለይ ልጅ ሆኖ እንደዚህ እናትና አባት ስታይ በጣም ከባድ ነው። ግን so you have to just have faith. በቃ don't give up, keep pushing. ask questions. እንደገና ደግሞ የሆነ ነገር ካልተስማማ አለመጣላት ከዳክተሮቹ ምናምን ቅድም የረሳው ዴሪስ I think መጽሐፉ ሜንሽን ያደረገው ከሴትየዋ ጋር ምንም አልተስማማንም። የሆነች ኔጌቲቭ ዳክተር ነበረች እዚያ. I think I don't want to skip it because this is very important. ሴትየዋ በጣም ኔጌቲቭ ነበረች። በቃ if he gained 40, he might gain 40 pounds አለችኝ በ7 years old. imagine እንግዲህ or 30 pounds. I say lose ሊያደርገው ይችላል አለችኝ. no, maybe not for his life ነው አለችኝ። በቃ she was so negative. በቃ ግን ምን አደረኩ መሰለ አልተጣላሁም ምንም አላልኩም። I said I can't come Monday እና Wednesday የሚባል schedule አይመቸኝም. I have a little kids 6 years old. My husband works at night እና I have to change my schedule አልኳቸው። የሆነ ሰውዬ ትልቅ ሰው ያለ I don't know መጽሐፉ ላይም አለ ሰውዬው ዳክተሩ ማለት ነው ዳክተር ቲም. So there was like, no, we don't have no opening ምናምን ሲሉኝ በቃ I can't. እኔ ልጄም ሴቭ ማድረግ አለብኝ ባለም ለሊት ነው የሚሰራ ፕሊስ ቀይሩልኝ አልኳቸው። ከዚያ በኋላ ከሷ ጋር ማልተጣላም ከማንም ጋር ሳልጣላ ቀስ ብዬ ስዊች አረጉ to Tuesday and Thursday ማለት ነው ኪሞ። ከዚያ በኋላ just want really smooth. Yeah. And it is not fun. Again, you have to kind of you have to follow your heart. Because doctors ስለሆኑ ያቃሉ ማለት ሳይሆን some of them they don't have really common sense. Honestly, I mean በምንድነው ያቋሸሽኳቸው ምናምን አይደለም ግን some of them is like really scary. It's like really they are a doctor ምናምን ብለህ ነው የምታስበው። በቃ the whole time for the past 6 treatment ነው ስንሄድ she was negative. በቃ the whole 6 treatment. And how do you handle that? You have to just find an option. Yeah.
It is it's a tough situation.
Yeah.
በቀላሉ መቀበል አይደለም እንዳልሽው ኪሞም ብዙ ነገር የሚታይበት መንገድ ነው ፕሮሰሱም ምኑም ግን understanding and knowing how to fight it የሚለውን I can definitely see በጣም ከባድ ነው። እዚህ ላላችሁ አዲስ ጆይን ላደረጋችሁን አሁን ላይ ተቆያችሁን ዛሬ የምናየው የእውቀት ጉርሻ ብለን በየሳምንቱ የምናቀርበው ምግብ ብቻ ሳይሆን እውቀት የምንጎራረስበት ጸሐፊዎችን ገጣሚዎችን ይዘን የምንመጣበት የወፍታዬ ሾው connecting each dot ዛሬ ደግሞ a boy named Darius እና a story about a boy, his love of basketball, faith, family and how he overcame a major obstacle. በሰባት ዓመቱ የደረሰበትን ነገር እንዴት አድርጎ ቀይሮት እግዚአብሔር ብሎ ቆሞ ከኛ ጋር የሚያወራበትን ታሪኩን የጻፈው a boy named Darius የሚለው አማዞን ላይ ያለላችሁ ዛሬ ኦርደር በማድረግ እንድትከታተሉት እንጠይቃችኋለን። ታሪኩንም ወደ ላይ የመጣችሁ የምትጠይቁበት ከላይ ያሉትም ጌስቶችም ከሱ ጋር ዳይሬክትሊ የሚጫወቱበት የሚጠይቁበት ሰዓትንም አንድ ሁለት ጥያቄ ከጠየቅኩኝ በኋላ ለእናንተ እከፍተዋለሁ ማለት ነው። I am so inspired. Dariusን በማግኘቴ as a 7-year-old ከባድ ነገር ነው። ሬር ዲዚዝ አንዳንዴ ደግሞ ኮመን የሆኑ ዲዚዞች ይኖራሉ የምናውቃቸው መድኃኒት አላቸው ሰው አልፎባታል የሚል ግን one over 200,000 people የሚያልፉትን ነገር ደግሞ ማግኘትና ማለፍ ማለት ቀላል ነገር አይደለም። ከዛ ደግሞ ወተን አሁን እዚህ ቁጭ ብለን ለማውራት የምንችልበት መንገድ it's really an amazing story. አንዳንዴ ደግሞ when we go through something we may shut down ወደ ኋላ ሰብሰብ ብለን የምንጠፋበት ግን Darius እናቱ ቤተሰቦቹ ግን they decided to bring it up front. እኔ ላይ ይሄ is going to be ሌሎች ልጆች ቢያልፉበት ሌላ ሰው ቢያልፍበት ለካ Darius እንኳን በዚህ አልፏል ብሎ ኢንስፓየር በመሆን ምን ማድረግ አለብን ብለን የምንሄደውን ጀርኒ ነው። የእናት አባትን ፍርሃት ነው ስትራግል ነው ብዙ ነገርን በአንድ መጽሐፍ ውስጥ የምንይዝበት መንገድ ስለሆነ don't forget to go on amazon.com and then buy እዚህ ደግሞ name Darius የሚለውን አካውንትንም ፎሎ በማድረግ እስኪ ስንት ደርሰናል 67 ኦኬ at least 20 more followers አግኝቷል ከገባ ጀምሮ እዚህ ያላችሁት በሙሉ see over 100 people join በማድረግ Dariusን ፎሎ በማድረግ አካውንቱን ብታሳድጉት next time ደግሞ የሚዘነው ስንመጣ ፎቶውን ቪዲዮውን ማብራት ስለሚችል ዛሬ በቂ ፎሎወር ስለሌለው he couldn't turn in his video ማለት ነውና so inspired by you Darius. I'm so happy not only you're able to overcome this and then be able to write. So when did everything started turning to the best? So when did you find out you're able to defeat and beat this disease? So just walk us through a little bit through that. And at what point did you find out the cure was inside?
I found out shortly after I was able to play and I didn't have to gain as much attention than I had to previously. We instead of going twice a week, one time a week, we went only two every other week, and it manually got lower for us to go, and it just felt something in the mood. And us not having to be stressful, it the mood felt different. So then the vibe just became happier.
I like that. I like the way you put it. So ያትዬ አንቺ ልበልሽ እንግዲህ መጀመሪያ ዶክተር አናዳሽ ነበር እድሜ ልኩን ነው የሚያልፍበት እንደዚህ ነው የሚሆነው የሚለውን ሰምተሻል። አሁን Darius ቢናገረው መቼ ነው ይሄ ነገር ቢት ያደርገዋል እያልሽ ጥሩ ነገር እየታየ ምን ያህል ጊዜ አንድ አመት ወስዷል ብለሽኛል። ፕሮሰሱ ይሄንን ማሸነፍ የሚቻልበት ደረጃ ስታየው እንዴት ነው እንዴት ነው የደረሳችሁት?
actually halfway ከደረስን በኋላ one thing ልክ አፕሩቭ ሲያደርገው 6 weeks ከሄድን በኋላ ዳክተሩን ከቀየርን በኋላ ስፖርት መጫወት ትችላለህ ምናምን ሲሉት ራሱ that time ነው በቃ ያወቅነው he can beat this one even in 10 months. You can even play football, you can swim, you can play any sports ምናምን ሲለው በቃ that day መጥቼ ነው ያስመዘገብኩትና I know he's going to be ሁሉ ሆፕ ሲሰጠው ዳክተሩ ከእግዚአብሔር በታች በቃ I say this is will be gone even less than a year. So exactly at 11 months was gone. Yeah.
Okay. So Darius, I'm going to have you read one more page and then I'm going to open it up for others to ask a question. If you can go to page 61.
Okay. I'll tell you when I get there.
Okay. Go to page 59, sorry.
Okay. There.
Okay. So go ahead and read it, please.
Finally, Mom and Dad got good news. News that did not break our hearts. The lump was disappearing, but hadn't gone away completely. The good news was my doctors decided to change my treatment, decreasing the time to every 2 weeks in between chemo sessions.
Continue.
Okay. Because I couldn't feel the lump, my imagination ran wild. I imagining it was growing bigger and bigger each day, like a monster consuming me. From the inside, so as a 7-year-old kid, I was in disbelief because I did not want to go through this again. Taking pills and getting bullied because I was blowing up on more steroids. And that is why I played basketball, to take my anger out on the court. Not my parents, not my family members, not even those I don't like. I wouldn't take my aggression on the court, even though I was being bullied. I did not try to fight them. I was slower, I was fat. The schoolyard boys did not know what was going on with my life. Like why I was now slower, why I had gained so much weight, why I had my endurance dwindled. Why wasn't I the old me? Questions came to me from everywhere. What I've learned in my 10 years is that few know what people are going through. When it came to me and what was happening, I sure didn't know what was going on in my head. In my body during this time, my parents and I agreed that playing basketball would be my medicine to add to my treatment plan.
Okay. I like that, the way you're reading it, the way you're putting it, so many powerful things in here. So I'm going to ask you a little bit about bully and then how basketball also became part of your treatment plan. And then I'll open it up for questions for everyone as guests. So when you were bullied, how did you get bullied? Can you tell us a little bit what was that look like or how it was?
The good news was it wasn't physically. It's just the comments that people put out was very rude, and I felt like inappropriate. That wasn't really meant to be nice.
Yeah, definitely bullying at that age is very tough. And I'm glad you had family members also to be able to support you. And definitely we want to send a message for nobody should be bullied, especially for what they are going through. And so that's something that we have to be aware that's happening in every school at every school age. So thank you for mentioning that because it's a very powerful one. And then when they had, like your mom said, that you could play basketball, and then you guys made it part of your medicine treatment. I like that we said that playing basketball could be my medicine to add to my treatment plan. It's not just about chemo, it's not about all the medicines that you're taking, but also you ended up using basketball just like one medicine to be part of your treatment plan. So when you knew you could play basketball, how did you feel?
I felt relieved. I felt thrilled. It's just like a dream come true again. I now had a desire in my life and something positive in the first time and felt like forever.
I like that. So how do you feel right now? I know today you had a game. Every time that I talk to you, you play basketball right now. So tell us how you feel, what you are, what you're doing right now, and how is your any of the LCH? You feel any of that, or are you fully cured? What status are you on right now?
Okay. Today I don't even think during chemo except drowsiness and like that weird taste in my mouth. I felt anything like that hurted me and stuff like that. And so I feel good. And as we're talking today, I'm actually going to Chicago for a tournament in a few weeks.
I know. You're very active. I was so happy meeting you. Healthy boy with everything that you're going through. Definitely, I like that. And I know you love quotes. Um, I think at the end on page, what is it, almost 68, it says, Darius, you'll make it to the NBA. Keep praying, practicing, and playing. Nothing should stop you from your dreams that you deserve. Who said that quote to you?
That was my mom. Huge inspiration to me. She's made a lot of things happen, and I carried that on with me every time I step foot on that court.
Okay, so now I'm going to open it up for everyone. And then everyone for being here, we really thank you. And there is a lot that we can learn from this book, a lot that we're going to be able to have a conversation with Darius and his mom. I want to make sure that any questions that you have that you want to be able to ask and have that interaction, that is an invitation for all of you. I'm going to start from first from the guests that we have on the panel. I'm going to start first with Sal, Carl, Mehratiye, Theo, Insert, Ruti, and then Melat. So Sal, let me open it for you. Any questions or any to Darius?
Wow, I'm just blown away, you know. It's just amazing to me that at that young age, you could write the way you write and specifying each emotion that you went through. But I can tell that you were brave through your treatment, even when you heard about the diagnosis, and you have such a positive attitude. I was just even smiling the whole time when Yuftai asked you what led to the diagnosis. You said it was a blessing. So it was very, very, I was shocked, you know, delightfully. So I believe you made that easy for your parents also, because they were, I'm sure they were stressed. I mean, your mom was saying it. And in fact, it's just writing this book is going to inspire millions, not only because of this specific condition, but for many conditions that people, young boys or young girls, are going through. So this is really, really, really great. I mean, I'm so proud of you. I don't know you. I can't wait to receive my book. I ordered it earlier. And I can't wait to read and hopefully reading it with your voice, because you have such a beautiful voice, and reading it with the emotion. I hope you will do an audible so we can hear you, you know, going through those emotions through your book. I have a final question because there's so many people who want to talk to you. A final question: is there any favorite? Not necessarily in a good way, but even painful, a favorite chapter or a favorite page or a passage that you have in the book, so I can focus on that one.
Okay, so thank you for all your compliments. Thanks. One of my favorite quotes, of course, I like everything in this book, but one of the things that I think stand out is the quote from Kobe Bryant: "If you panic, then everyone else panics." And so that gave me a lot of information about how I want to react to things.
Oh, that's so mature. That's so mature. Wow, wonderful. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Just one more word for mom. Thank you so much. እዚህ ድረስ ስላመጣሽልን እና ደግሞ ያንቺንም ጥንካሬ በጣም ነው ያስተላለፍሽው፣ ወደኛ ራሱን ያስተላለፍሽው። እግዚአብሔር ክብሩን ይውሰድ። እግዚአብሔር ይባርክሽ። እግዚአብሔር ይባርካችሁ። በርቺ። በጣም ብዙ ነገር ነው ከተናገርሽ ላይ የተማርነው። ስለ ኮመን ሰንስ የዶክተሮቹ አካባቢ ስለ ኮመን ሰንስ በጣም የተማርነው። በጣም እውነትሽን ነው። እሱን እናምንበታለን እና ቴንኪዩ ሶማች ሼር ስላደረግሽልን ቴንኪዩ።
በጣም ነው የማመሰግነው። ኦርደር በማድረግሽም ጆይን በማድረግሽም በጣም እግዚአብሔር ይስጥልኝ። በጣም በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። ሆፕፉሊ ኔክስት ታይም እንግዲህ በኢንፐርሰን ታይታላችሁ። ሆፕፉሊ when he gets more follower በጣም እናመሰግናለን።
ቴንኪዩ ቴንኪዩ።
If you have a couple pictures from Denver, I think maybe you can share it. I don't know. እዚያ የሚያዩ
No, definitely
share a couple. Yeah.
Yes.
ቴንኪዩ ቴንኪዩ።
በጣም እናመሰግናለን። እግዚአብሔር ይስጥልን። እግዚአብሔር ያክብርልን።
Yeah. ሰልም ደግሞ ራሷም she's an author ስለ autism የጻፈችው መጽሐፍ አለ። ስለዚህ she knows what it takes to write book and then present it to the people. So she's an amazing mom herself, and her son Darius, what they went through autism journey. She has written an amazing book that is so helpful to so many of us, that's been published. So Sel, thank you for being here, and thank you for giving all the compliments and then the inspiration that you learned from both mom and son. And then as an author, you giving him that feedback. It means a lot for him to be able to be inspired. And thank you again for ordering this book. I really appreciate yourself for being here.
What can we order her books?
Yes, Amazon line ያለው እሱንም ሼር አደርግላችኋለሁ። እሷንም ኢንተርቪው አድርጌያት ነበር እዚህ ላይ. So I'll send you the link.
What is the name of the book?
በእንግሊዘኛ ምን ነበር የሚለው? አማርኛ፣ እንግሊዘኛና ፈረንሳይኛም አላትና ሶስቱም አቬይላብል ናቸው አለ አማዞን ላይ።
You can text me. No worries. I don't want to interrupt now. You can text me. That's it.
Yeah. Unlocking the Autism Plate ነው የሚለው በእንግሊዘኛ under ሰላማዊት ስዩም. But I'll post it for all of you ከዚህ በፊትም ኢንተርቪው ስላደረኳት Autism Lifestyle, Unlocking the Autism Plate. It's really an amazing, especially diet and everything else describe የሚያደርግበት ለልጇም ደግሞ she has done so many things inspire የሚያደርግ መንገድ ዘፈኖቹን ማንነቱን typical uniqueness የሚያወጣበት they have really an amazing journey. Now she's really a heroine ከምላት እናቶች በጣም ከማደንቃት እናቶች ነች ሰል እና እንዳንቺ። ስለዚህ there is an understanding between the two of you. Also what she went through now, what she presented to all of us. Amazing. So Sally, you know how much I appreciate everything that you have done, and thank you for being here, Dharma.
That's amazing. Thank you. That's great.
Thank you.
I'll order it. Definitely I'll order it.
Thank you. ዛሬ የዴሪስ ቀን ነው። Thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and also the new guest. Thank you so much.
Thank you. ቃልዬ ወደ አንቺ ልምጣ. So any questions, anything that you have?
Thank you, Sahib. Honestly, Darius, I don't even know what to say at this moment. I'm just so speechless. You're amazing. Your story is very inspiring. You went through a lot at a young age, and I'm so proud of you. And I can't wait to see your dream come true. Honestly, I know how hard it must have been, to go through a lot at that time, at that age. And I'm very, very, very proud of you. እናቱም በጣም ጠንካራ ነሽ በእውነት በዚህ ጊዜ አይደለም በሱ እድሜ ያለና ለትልቅ ሰውም ከባድ በሽታ ነው ባለው ነገር ላይ እና በጣም ነው ደስ ያለኝ። እግዚአብሔር ደግሞ ትልቅ ደረጃ ላይ አድርሶት ሁላችንም እንድናየው ያብቃን እላለሁኝ። ፎሎ አድርጌዋለሁኝ በደንብ። አሁን ከዚህ በኋላ ባለው ጀርኒ ደግሞ I'll follow up with him too, and I'm so proud of you. እግዚአብሔር ካንተ ጋር ይሁን።
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kali.
Of course. And again, I would love to have him in Garam show live. But I will contact you. I already followed you, so I'll text you.
Oh, no problem. Anytime.
All right.
I'll send you his mom's number. That would be good to have him on your show too.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Honestly, let me see how many of you have been following him. I think ከመውጣታችን በፊት at least he's going to be in 100 ብዬ አስባለሁ. 81 followers. Darius የሚለውን next time that he can be able to go live ቪዲዮውንም ማብራት እንዲችል ስለሆነ make sure share ስታረጉ ታፕ ስታረጉ የሱንም follow ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ ፔጁን. Please make sure to follow so that he has like more followers and then he can come live and show his face too. እሺ ምህረትዬ available ከሆንሽ ወደ አንቺ ልምጣ.
Okay. Hi, Darius. I am very touched. I'm actually I really wanted to hear this story today, Bonnet. I was just reading a Bible. Not at the minton settle. I had Bible ያነበብኩኝ ልገባ ነው ቲክታክ ምናምን ብዬ ነው የገባሁት ግን I'm glad I did. I don't know what to say. This is amazing. I'm so happy you are recovered. You're chasing your dream. I'm so sorry you had to go through all this at the young age. You know, I cannot imagine going through it. ቀላል ነው story ሲወራ. Like when you tell the story, it's so simple. But going through, like, can you imagine going through it every day, every hospital visit? I can't. Like, you know, even I'm my age. Plus I have kids and I don't know, by the grace of God, I'm very proud of you. You're already a champion. Like, this is the biggest accomplishment. Not only you're going to be a great player, you're a good writer, a good reader, and I'm rooting for you. I cannot wait what the future has for you. I'm very, very proud of you. Very proud.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, ምህረትዬ. We appreciate you. እንዝርት ብሩክሳይድ እንዝርት ይሰማሻል? ኦኬ እሷ እስከምትመጣ ሚና ተመልሳለች።
እጄ ይዞ ስለነበር ነው ልጄን ንኪልኝ ብያት ነው ለማድረግ። You're so amazing. Very amazing. I was so impressed and I cannot stop, you know, even though I'm very busy at this moment, but, you know, I want to hear the whole story and stayed longer and I can't wait to read this book. And I can understand as a mother, you know, how hard it was for you and for your parents. But I can see that how strong kid you are. I'm so impressed. I'm very happy. The end story is the happy ending, and I love that. And I have a question for Darren. Kids for your age, for the kids for your age, what do you think they have to learn from you?
What I want them to learn is to be resilient and don't give up. And I want others just to be positive.
Very nice. I have kids and I want to buy this book and I want them to read it.
Thank you for your support and time.
Thank you for sharing your story and for your mom. በጣም ብዙ ነገር ነው ካንቺ ከምትናገሪያቸው ውስጥ ብዙ ነገር ነው የሚያስተምሩ ነገሮች ያገኘሁት። ጥንካሬሽ፣ ለምታደርጊው ነገር፣ ለውሳኔሽ ሁሉ ቀስ ብለሽ ነገሩን ቀኝና ግራ አይተሽ ለውሳኔሽ ኢንስቲንክትሽን መጠቀምሽ ደስ ያላለሽን ቅር ያለሽን ነገር ቸኩለሽ አለመወሰን ብዙ ነገር ተምሬያለሁና እግዚአብሔር እንኳን ልጅሽን ለዚህ ያበቃልኝ። በጣም ደስ የሚል ነው መጨረሻው። እንኳን እግዚአብሔር ለዚህ ያበቃችሁ። በጣም ደስ ይላል እና ጥንካሬሽ ብዙ ትምህርት የሚሰጥ ነው እና ምን እላለሁ እግዚአብሔር ሁሉን ነገር ያሳምርለት የቀረውን ህይወቱን።
በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። እግዚአብሔር ያክብርልን። እግዚአብሔር ይስጥልኝ። በጣም ቴንክ ዩ
እንዝርትዬ በጣም እናመሰግናለን። ሚና ወደ አንቺ ልምጣ።
Okay, thank you so much, Yoftai, for this opportunity. This is my first time in your page, and I am so blessed that I am here on this amazing day. This is historical. Darius, I do not have a word to explain how amazing you are, how blessed you are, how much you open a giant door for millions of people that's gonna come after you. And I see a young man who's going to tell the world that nothing is impossible if you put your heart and mind. So I'm so grateful. God bless you. And I'm gonna tell every child. I work with kids. I'm a registered nurse. I know LCH only on a book, okay? And then today you defy this case, and you showed us that nothing is impossible. It's all in our head, and you fought. You're a fighter, and I'm so happy to hear you saying that your favorite person is Kobe Bryant, which is also my hero, because you were 6'7" when you were diagnosed. I was sick to death when I was 26, and I was pregnant. I was dying. People give up on me, and then at the end, I also gave up on myself. Okay, I signed a paper saying that I want to do a surgery to end it because I did not want anyone to suffer. And you proved me wrong, my dear. You just showed me, like, every time I go to talk to people, God can change your position. Now you came and you told me that it is possible. You can say you can fight to death. And guess what? When I was dying, this lady walked by, because I always had Kobe in my notebook. And then she said, hey, did you know that he has this quote which kept me going? And she said this: if you see me in a fight with a bear, pray for the bear. And that's what she told me. I was very little and skinny. Everybody thought that I was a teenager, but I wasn't. But now, like, I see you and you saying that I am going to fight. So congratulations. God bless you. Keep on fighting. Keep being a voice for millions. I bought your book. I just start talking to children. I work with children. I teach children at church, and there's so much to talk to them about. And I cannot wait to introduce you to them. So thank you so much. And for the mom, oh my goodness, because እንደው በእውነት እግዚአብሔር ይባርክሽ የኔ እናት። ለብዙዎቻችን ሀበሾች ብቻ ሳይሆን ለከለርድ ፒፕል ዩ ኦፕን ዶር አንቺ ራስሽ። ለምን እኔ እዚህ ሀገር መጥቼ የታመምኩ ጊዜ መብታችንን ስለማናቅ ብዙ ነገሮች ሕክምና ውስጥ በሆንም ብዙ ነገሮችን ፋይት ለማድረግ አፌን ለመክፈት it took me a while። አንቺ ግን you fought for your child። እና እዚህ የምንሰማ ሁላችን እንማርብሻለን። ደስ ያላለኝን አላለኝም፣ ልጄን የማውቀው እኔ ነኝ። የእሱን ፊውቸር ዲተርሚን የሚያደርገው ከእግዚአብሔር ጋር እኔና ቤተሰቦችንን ማለትሽ ለብዙዎቻችን ትልቅ መፍትሄ ነው ይዘሽ የመጣሽውና እግዚአብሔር አምላክ እዚህ አድርሶታል፣ አንቺንም አድርሶሻል። ከዚህ በኋላም አሜዚንግ የሆነ ያንግማን እንጠብቃለን። በጤና በሞገስ አንቺም ኖረሽ እኛም ኖረን የዴሪየስን ሴሌብሬሽን ትዘ ኢንድ እንድናይ ያደርገን እላለሁና ይሄ ድር ስለሰጠኸኝ በጣም ነው ማመሰግነውና እዚህ ያላችሁ ሀበሾችዬ ኮፒ ሊንክ ሼር አድርጉ። ይሄ ዓለም መስማት ያለበት ነው። 1000 እንኳን አልገባ። most of them ኮፒ ሊንክ ያደረኩት እኔ ነኝ። I always say that እንትን ለማለት አይደለም። ፕሊዝ ኮፒ ሊንክ ሼር አድርጉ። ቡኩን ኦርደር አድርጉ። ፔጁ ዛሬ ፎሎ 100 ሰው አለ እዚህ። 100ችን እንኳን ፎሎ ብናረገው 109 ሰው ፎሎ አረገው ማለት ነው። ነው ይፍታይ ዳዝና ሀፍ ቱ ሴይ 100 ሰው ቢያደርገውና አሁኑኑ ለ10 ሰው ኮፒ ሊንክ አድርጉልኝ። እዚህ ያያያችሁ እስቲ 1000 ሙላ ወገኖች፣ እጃችን ይልመድበት። እንዲህ አይነት ጊዜ ተሰጥቶ ሰው ሲመጣ ጊዜውን የሰጠን ሰው ነው ትልቁ ባለውለታችን እና በህይወታችን ጋይስ ዴሪየስ ታይሙን ወስዶ ዮፍታሄ ደግሞ ዓለም ሊሰማው ይገባል የዚህን አሜዚንግ ልጅ ታሪክ ብሎ ነው የመጣውና እንዲህ አይነቱ ነገር ይልመድብን። ዮፍታሄ በጣም ነው ማመሰግነው። እግዚአብሔር ያክብርልኝ። ሁላችሁም አከብራችኋለሁ። ናበሾችዬ በያላችሁበት ድንቅ ስራ የምትሰሩ ሁሉ ክብር በሉልኝ። Thank you so much.
Thank you ሚናዬ። Thank you በጣም እናመሰግናለን። እግዚአብሔር ይስጥልን።
Thank you. Thank you for telling your story, and I appreciate you.
Definitely. Thank you ሚና። ዚምሶንሽም የራስሽንም ታሪክ እንደዚህ መናገሩ ቀላል አይደለም። We want to know more about you. አሁን ያላሰለፍሽው ነገር ቀላል አይደለም። I'll contact you through የእውቀት ጉርሻ ለማታውቁ በየሳምንቱ የምናደርገው የተለያዩ ጸሐፊዎችን ገጣሚዎችን ይዘን መተን ምግብን ብቻ ሳይሆን እውቀትን የምንጎራረስበት ባህላችንን የምናውቅበት ሰዓት ነውና we have also Nardi touch ላይ our queen of tap tap and everything else እሷንም ተዋወቂያት በደንብ definitely it's an honor for የስን ከተዋወቅኩት ጀምሮ ካየሁት ካነበብኩት መጽሐፉን በኋላ definitely ለሁሉም መድረስ እንደሚገባው ገብቶኝ አንቺም ደግሞ you just confirmed ሁላችሁም እዚህ ያላችሁት ምን ያህል ለሰው መድረስ እንደሚችል how many people can be inspired through his story it's a lot and we're still waiting we're still going to expect more again what you have accomplished there is so far there's still really so many kids so many even adults have not accomplished what you have done already at a 10-year-old and you're really a blessing just like Mina said and not but ሁላችሁም it's really amazing ይሄንን መጽሐፍ boy named Darius አማዞን ላይ ሄዳችሁ ቀጥታውን ኦርደር ብታረጉ እስኪዚህ ያላችሁ ኦርደር አርጋችሁ ዳን ያላችሁ 5 ቁጥርን እስኪ ከታች ጻፉልን so that we know that you have ordered it support ለማድረግ ብቻ ሳይሆን ለሌላውም እንደሚጠቅም ለሌሎች ልጆች ልካው ሚና እንደተናገረችው it's going to open up so many things ልጆቻችን በሚያልፉበት ሰዓት ላይ አስቡት not only going through hard time then turning it into a book writing ራሱን የቻለ challenge ነውና and then turning it into a book to present it to others it's not an easy የሆነ task አይደለምና definitely very inspiring thank you ሚና ሜላትዬ ወደ አንቺ ልምጣ እንኳን ደህና መጣሽ
ሰላም ያፍታሄ እንዴት ናችሁ? Hi Darius.
Hi.
Yari እንዴት ናችሁ? ደህና ናችሁ?
ደህና ነን ማለት እንዴት ነሽ? ደህና ነሽ?
Wonderful. I'm so glad እዚህ like መምጣቴ ድምጹን መስማቴ መጽሐፉን ሲያነበው Darius, we have your book in our house.
I know I saw it on Facebook. Thank you so much for the support. አነበብኩት ልጆችሽ?
You're very welcome. Bella, my 8-year-old, she sits on the sofa and sitanabo. When she reads your book, Darius, I'm going to speak in English. She crosses her leg. I honestly have not read your book, so I don't ask her what she's reading. She crosses her leg and she sits and she kind of wobbles back and forth as she's reading it. And she's into it 100%. Like, and now that I'm hearing you read this book, I'm like, dude, I need to read your book. It's not just her. I need to read it. And you're just so inspiring. We're so proud of you. For telling your story so eloquently. Your writing skills for your age, it's just beyond and above our expectation for most of us. And now this probably has a lot to do with you, Mom and Dad. It doesn't come that easy. We have kids, we have young kids. If we don't put into our kids, we won't see this result. And now this shows a lot about how your mom has been guiding you, your dad has been guiding you through this, the hard time that you were going with, and to come up on top and to write this book and to be so successful and so inspiring to people, not to just kids, to adults. I'm inspired right now. Seriously, I am inspired. And you will inspire thousands more. I do need you to come out more, show your work more, read more to the people, show them what it is, the book that you wrote, and your skills need to be out there. And we're just proud of you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Awesome.
I appreciate your support.
ቴንክ ዩ ሜላትዬ። እና እሷ ደግሞ ኮሎራዶ ስለሆነችም ፐርሰንም ታውቀዋለች which is very good። እና ቴንክ ዩ ሜላትዬ coming in definitely ለልጆች ብቻ ሳይሆን ሜላት እንዳለችው ለእኛም ለአደልቶቹም it's a much needed book to be read። እና I'm glad that your child is also reading it። ለሌሎቹም inspired ማድረግ መቻሉም እና how she's into it definitely እያንዳንዱ ሰው ይህንን ካነበበ you'll be able to finish it. Doesn't take you too long, but you will learn a lot. You'll cry, you'll be happy, you'll smile, and you definitely will be inspired through that process. So thank you ሜላት። ኪድዬ good to see you። በስንት ጊዜሽ ተመልሰሽ መጥተሻል ወደ ቤትሽ?
ሰላም
እንዴት ነሽ? ምን ትያለሽ አንቺስ?
I don't have a word, Derry, really, because I am at work when you come in, and then when I listen everything, I stuck there. Even we're not allowed at work to touch our phone, but I cannot. I am proud of you. I don't have a word because of as with your age, and then you do all these things. You write your own story. That's amazing. I ordered it in Amazon and then I read it, everything, and then believe me, I'm gonna tell you how I feel. You are wonderful. We're waiting so many books from you. Okay? And ቃላት የለኝም። እጅግ በጣም የሚገርም ነው። ትንሿ ልጄ my daughter, she's a 7 years old. She love reading a book, and then she gonna read it. I record her, and then I will send it for you. Okay? I appreciate you. This is for me is wake up call. What I hear today, because this week I blame everything. I say, why is this? Why is that? Because, and then when I hear what you said and what your mom said, I say, forgive me, God. Okay? I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I don't have a word.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Kid.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you.
Thank you. በጣም እናመሰግናለን። እግዚአብሔር ያክብርልን። አም ሶሪ ስራሽን አቋርጠን በመግባትሽ በጣም ደስ ብሎናል። እግዚአብሔር ይስጥልን። እግዚአብሔር ያክብርልን።
በረከትን ያገኘሁት እውነት ለመናገር ከምር አንቺም እግዚአብሔር ያክብርሽ። ልጅሽ በጣም በተደጋጋሚ ነው ስለ አንቺ ሲያወራ የነበረው። አንቺ ራስሽ አንደኛዋ ሱፐር ሂሮ ነሽ። እግዚአብሔር ያክብርሽ። እውነት ይሄ ቀላል ነገር አይደለም። ምክንያቱም በልጆች ውስጥ የምንዘራው እኛው ራሳችን ስለሆነ this is your job too. You do a good job.
Thank you. አመሰግናለሁ።
Thank you ኪድዬ። ሩትዬ ወደ አንቺ ልምጣ።
Okay. Thank you, Aftish. Sorry I'm a little bit late today because I was outside. Darius, I'm so impressed. I was waiting almost a month and a half or 2 months until I hear your story because Yoftish told me we're going to invite a boy who wrote a book about his journey and his future plan. I was so impressed, and I was so expecting this day, and I'm glad that I joined on time, but I wasn't able to come up because I was outside. You are such an amazing boy with an old soul. I am so impressed in everything that you shared us earlier, and I learned a lot from you. I teach kids at church, and whenever I see them, I think of their future. And from your presentation right now, I can see how daring, strong, smart, thoughtful young boy you are. I'm 100% sure that you are gonna be one of the amazing NBA player, and then we're gonna watch that as long as we are alive, right? And you already got that wisdom, passion to go this kind of hard time at this young age. So there won't be anything that will stop you. You have passed the hardest thing that human can face, because we all know that whenever we hear about cancer, chemo, it crushes us, right? It's just between you become next to days for most people, but you passed that, so there's nothing that will stop you. And I am so grateful that you are strong and healthy, and you are back to play what you wanted to play all your young age. And I'm hopeful that you will continue to do with full passion and strength. The question that I have for you is that earlier you mentioned you being bullied by your friends at school, what did you felt? What do you want kids your age or older or other adult to know and understand, at least if they cannot empathize with you, to sympathize, to have that heart for people who go through this kind of situation? So what do you want to say to them? And then after you answer, I'll come back to your mom.
Okay, so what I want them to get out of it is not necessarily feel bad for me. That wasn't the message. I wanted it to be resolved, and I wanted it to get better. And I thank you guys for having sympathy, but feeling bad for me is I'm fine now. So like I just want others who have it worse than me to get better.
Thank you, Darius. For your mom. ያለፍሽበትን መንገድ I cannot imagine አይደል? አንዳንድ ነገሮችን ራሳችን በዛ ጫማ ውስጥ ስናልፍ ነው ምን ማለት እንደሆነ ምንረዳውና ከሰማሽበት ቀን ጀምሮ ያለፍሽው ያን አመት በቃ እግዚአብሔር ካረዳን አይደለ ከኛም ከአእምሯችን በላይ የሆነ እግዚአብሔር ጸጋ እግዚአብሔር ምህረት እግዚአብሔር ቸርነት ካረዳን በስተቀር በጣም ከባድ ነው። በዛ ላይ ደግሞ በልጅ ሲሆን አይደለም እንደዛ አይነት ነገር መስማት። ጉንፋንም ሲይዛቸው ሲያተኩሱ የሆነ ነገር ሲሆኑ ምን አለ ራሴው በታመም አይደለ የሚሉት እናቶች እና ይሄንን መንገድ ስታልፊው somehow በሆነ መንገድ የህይወትን እይታ ለነገሮች ያለሽ አመለካከት ቀይሮታልና ስለዛ ሼር አድርገን እና ሰዎች በእንደዚህ አይነት በተለያየ መንገድ ለሚያልፉ ሰዎችስ ምን ትያቸዋለሽ? ምን ትመክሪያቸዋለሽ?
ቴንክ ዩ ሩቲስ ስለገባሽ። እንግዲህ አይነው ውጭ ነበርሽ፣ በጣም እናመሰግናለን። ያው ምንድነው መጀመሪያ ማድረግ ያለብሽ ሪሰርችሽን በጣም ማየት አለብሽ። ላይክ ዩ ኖ it's going to be a lot of disagreement። ሁሉ የራሱን ኦፒኒየን አለው፣ በክፋት ሳይሆን አንዳንዱ በቅንነት ሊሆን ይችላል፣ አንዳንዱ ደግሞ ያው አለማወቅም ሊሆን ይችላል። እና የራስሽን you have to follow your heart። ከእግዚአብሔር በታች you have to listen to your heart። that's very important። ምክንያቱም ልጆችሽን አንቺ ነው የምታውቂያቸው፣ በምን ነው ካንቺ ጋር ነው የሚኖሩ ምናምን ሁሉ የራሱን ኦፒኒየን ሊኖረው ይችላል። ግን ሁለተኛ ደግሞ don't give up at all። faith መኖር አለበት። that's the most important። ለምን ሆነ ለምን የኔ ልጅ ታመመ ማለት የለብንም። ጥያቄ መጠየቅ I don't question። ጥያቄ የሚባል አቅርቤ አላውቅም። በእውነት እግዚአብሔር ለምን ልጄን አሳመምኩ ብዬ አላውቅም። never I never say that። ግን ለምንድን ነው ኦኬ ለማስተማር አሁን ይሄ የወጣንበት መንገድ ለማስተማር ነው። ላይክ መጽሐፍ ጽፈሽ ወይ አንዳንድ ሰው ምናልባት አንዳንድ ካመንት ሰምቻለሁ ብር ሜክ ለማድረግ ነው ምናምን ይልሻል። አተሮቹን ያውቃሉ። መጽሐፍ ጽፈሽ እዚህ ሀገር እንኳን ዴሪየስ ፕሬዚዳንትም ሆነሽ ጽፎ የታወቁ በሚሊዮን ሽጠውም I don't think so they make a lot of money። ግን ኢንስፓየር ለማድረግ ኔጌቲቭ ነገሮችን መተው በቃ አለብሽ፣ አለመስማት በቃ you have to close your ear። በቃ ኔጌቲቭ ነገር መስማት አልፈልግም ነበር። ኢቭን እንኳን ሌላ ሰጀሽን ሲሰጡኝ እንኳን ሰጀሽን አልፈልግም። በቃ ጸሎት አድርጉልኝ፣ በቃ ጸልዩ ከእግዚአብሔር በታች ጸሎትና ዶክተሮቹን እንደዚያ ነበር እያልኩት የምዘጋው ማለት ነው። ላይክ ለሞስትሊ እንደገና ደግሞ ቀላል አለማየት ላይክ የሆነ ይሻለዋል በሄደግ ነው የጀመረው ገብቶሻል። ባምፕ ነው የጀመረው እና ላይክ በቀላል አለማየት ሬር ዲዚዝ ማለት ኦልሞስት እንዳልኩት ቅድም 98% of the doctor they don't even know LCH so ኦኬ ለምንድን ነው LCH ያለው ይሄ ጠፋል እኮ ምናምን ብለን ቀላል አለማየት ደግሞ ያስፈልገናል በጣም it is very important ዳይሬክሽን ፋሎ ማድረግ ደግሞ ጥሩ ነው። አለማቋረጥ አንድ ቀን እንኳን ሌት ይለናል 30 minutes early ነን እዚያ everything ከትምህርት ቤት ፑል እያደረጉ ትምህርት ቤቱም ወስደው ነበር even though he barely can walk medicationን አወፍሮት ነበር በ7 years old he was 60 pounds እና እንደገና ደግሞ ቡሊ ሲደረጉ ማጠንከር አለብሽ አንቺ ነው ኦኬ ማለት አንተ ማስተማር ነው ያለብህ እንጂ don't get angry ምናምን ማለት አለብሽ። ፍርስትሬሽኑ እሱ በመጻፍ ነበር የሚያወጣው እያለቀሰ ይጽፋል። በእጁ ነው የሚጽፈው። በእጁ 40 ፔጅ ነው የጻፈው ሃንድ ራይቲንግ ሶ እና እድስ ታፍ ግን ቀላል ነው እያልኩ አይደለም ስላለፈ ነው አሁን ይሄ ማወራው ግን you have to just have faith mostly that's all I have right now ይሰማሻል?
ይሰማል። ሰምተሻል ሩቲ?
Yeah. I'm so impressed by Nametasho. My goodness. Wow. I think we need to hear more of you. Yeah. Wow.
እንደገና ደግሞ like any ሌላም አሁን actually a couple people መጽሐፍ የሚፈልጉ ማለት አንድ ትልቅ ሰው ደግሞ የዴንቨር ፐብሊሽድ አድርጓል already inspire ሆኖ already he published his book ሀበሻ ነው ትልቅ ነው ግን እዛ ጋር was like እንደ የ10 አመት እኔ እኮ መጽሐፍ ከጀመርኩት 4 years ሆኖኛል ብሎ he already published his book እና there is a couple kids ደግሞ እኔ happy የሚያደርገኝ ምንድነው inspire ሆኖ they're gonna like to read or መጽሐፍ የሚፈልጉም ካለ ጋይድ ማድረግም ይቻላል ምናምን ለሱ ብለን ነው የወጣ ነው by the way አንዷ ደግሞ ደውላልኝ እየሳቀኝ ብሬ እኮ አለቀ አለችኝ በምን አለቀ አልኳት ልጄ መጽሐፍ ማንበብ አይወድም ነበር መጽሐፍ በመግዛት አለኝ ደስ ብሏት ነው እና ለእንደዚህ ኢንስፓየር እንዲሆኑ ልጆች they should not give up ሌላ ቦታ እንዳይውሉ ማንበብ እንዲለምዱ by the way ባርኔ ነው ብሉም ገብቷል like እዚህ ኮሎራዶ ያሉ ባርኔ ነው ብሉም በሙሉ ገብቷል እና it's not only in Amazon እና ብዙዎቹ እየደወሉ ራሱ we saw Darius book in Amazon I mean ባርኔ ነው ብሉ ምናምን ይሉኛል እና ሰፖርት ልጆቻችን አትሊስት አንድ ልጅ እንኳን ኢንስፓየር ሆኖ ከጻፈ ወይ ደግሞ ማንበብ ከወደደ ምናምን ብለን ለዚያ ነው የወጣነው እንደገና ደግሞ ማስተማሪያ ይሆናል ለሁላችን ለእናቶች we should not like give up ለምን እንደዚህ ሆነ ጥያቄ መጠየቅ የለብንም በቃ go forward have faith and life goes on እና በጣም እናከብራችኋለን በጣም እናመሰግናለን ጊዜያችሁን እንግዲህ I know some of you are work አንዳንዶቹ ደግሞ ላይክ ውጭ ነበራችሁ በጣም ነው የምናመሰግነው እግዚአብሔር ይስጥልን
ቴንክ ዩ በጣም የሚገራርሙ ሀሳቦች ነው እያነሳሽ የነበረው አንድ ነገር ሲፈጠር ተቀብሎ ለምን እኔን ሳንል አይደለ ምንድነው ታዲያ ሶሉሽኑ ወደሚለው መሄድ በጣም ብዙ ጊዜ በተለይ እኛ ሀበሾች አይደለ በጣም በዛ እንጎዳለን እና ዲናያል ውስጥ እንቆያለን because of that ደግሞ ነገሩ ሞር እየተባባሰ ኮምፕሊኬትድ እያደረግነው እንሄዳለን እና በጣም የሚገርም ሀሳብ ነው እዚህ ጋር ያነሳሽው ምክንያቱም በቃ ኦፍ ኮርስ ስትራግል ያደረግሽበት ጊዜ ነበረ ግን ራስሽ ሪሰርች አድርገሽ እግዚአብሔርም ደግሞ እነዛን ቤተሰቦች ጎረቤት አደረገልሽ ያንን ተቀብለሽ እንደገና ማድረግ ያለብሽን ነገር ሁሉ ማድረግ and then helping him አይደል በቃ አሁን ከትምህርት ቤት ቆይ እንደዚህ ሆነሃል ብለሽ ሳትዩ through all that going with him አይደለም
ትክክል
supporting
ያ
him ደግሞ
absolutely አንድ ቀን ትምህርት ቀርቶ አያውቅም even he have to go 1 hour drop አደርገዋለሁ pick አደርገዋለሁ if he has 8 o'clock drop አድርጌ 10 o'clock appointment ከሆነ I'll pick him up at 9:30 he will never miss yeah
yeah and ሌላ ተቻረገኝ ነገር ያለቀሰ ይጽፍ ነበር አልሽ አሁን ይሄ በቃ like real feeling ነው እዛ መጽሐፍ ላይ ያለው ማለት ነው like አንድ ወር ቆይቶ ቢጽፍ አሁን የጻፈውን አይጽፈውም ነበርና it is such an amazing በቃ በጣም ኢንስፓየር የሚያደርግ በጣም ብዙ ሰው የሚያስተምር መጽሐፍ ነውና እኔም ገዛዋለሁኝ እንዳልኩሽም ደግሞ ልጆች ስለማስተምር of course I'm going to share this story at my Sunday school as well thank you ተባረኪ
thank you ሩትዬ በጣም እናመሰግናለን ሁላችሁም ክብር ይስጥልኝ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ
thank you በጣም ቆንጆ ንግግር ኢንስፓየርሽን እየሰማን ነው ለማታውቁ ሰዎች boy named Darius Amazon ላይ ያለላችሁ Barnes Noble Colorado ካላችሁ አሁን ደግሞ Dariusንም ኮንታክት በማድረግ ሳይንድ የሆነም ኮፒ ማግኘት የምትችሉበት ነው ኢንስፓየሪንግ የሆነ ቆንጆ መጽሐፍ ካለፈበት መንገድ ጀምሮ story about a boy his love for basketball faith family and how he overcame a major obstacle about his story what he went through and how he overcame it and now how he wanted to share his life to the world otherwise don't forget to stop by an Amazon and buy and then let me check on who has been following 92 followers almost 100 መግባት አለብያለሁ make sure እስኪ ያላችሁ Darius Milaon make sure to follow
are we able to see him if he hits 100 people
I don't think so I think 146 or 200 ነው የሚቀጥለው ላይ
okay
okay yeah we'll get to see his face again we'll bring him back again ተመልሶ ስለሚመጣ
okay please follow him
ይቅርታ አንድ ነገር ተናገሬ ልውጣ እዚህ ያላችሁ ወገኖችዬ ለሌላውም እንትኑን ሐሳቡን ለሌላውም ሰው ሼር አድርጉ በየፔጃችሁ ፎንትኑን በየፕላትፎርሞቹ እንለጥፈው ይፍታዬ ደግሞ እና እዚህም ያላችሁ ብዙ ፎሎወር ያላችሁ ሰዎች ሪሰንትሊ የተማርኩትን ሼር ለማድረግ ስለፈለኩ ነው because I want ይሄንን ዓለም እንዲያውቀው እፈልጋለሁኝ እንደኔ ሁላችሁ እንደምታስቡ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁና ምን አለ መሰላችሁ ይሄን መጽሐፍ በአንድ ደቂቃ ውስጥ ሁላችንም እዚህ ተነጋግረን ቡክ ሊንኩን አድርገን አማዞን ላይ ኦርደር ማድረግ ብንችል at one moment እንት number 1 reader and number 1 seller in Amazon መሆን ይችላልና እንደው በውስጥ ሌላ ትልቅ ፎሎወር ያላቸው ሰዎች ቤት ተነጋግረን ፕሮግራም ብንሰራና ህዝቡን በዛ ሞመንት ሁላችንም go to the link this is the link buy now ብለን in that few moments ብንገዛው it will hit that number 1 selling because ይሄ በሁሉም ሾው ላይ ግሎባሊ መታወቅ ያለበት ኬዝ ነው ብዬ ነው የማስበውና ለምን በጣም ሬር ኬዝ መሆኑ ብቻ ሳይሆን we are colored people guys ብዙዎቻችን ሳንታወቅ ነው ምናልፈው ብዙዎች ሰዎች ይሄን ኦፖርቹኒቲ አያቆትም ሳይሆን ፋይት አያደርጉምና we lose so much እና ማንንም ቤት እንዲያኳኳ ባንፈልገው ከመጣ ግን ምንጋፋበትን ትልቅ መንገድ ዴሬስ እና ቤተሰቦቹ ስላሳዩን እግዚአብሔርን ስለነሱ እናመሰግናለን እንደው በውስጥ ብትነጋገሩበትና ተገኝተን ሁላችንም አንድ ጊዜ በአንድ ደቂቃ ውስጥ ብንገዛው እና ነምበር 1 ሴለር ቢያገኝ ከእግዚአብሔር ጋር እጠይቃቸዋለሁ አመሰግናለሁ እድሉን መልሰ ስለሰጠኝ ይፍታዬ አመሰግናለሁ
thank you ሚናዬ በጣም እናመሰግናለን በጣም you guys all of you amazing በጣም እግዚአብሔር ያክብርልን እግዚአብሔር ይስጥልን እኔ መናገር ያቀኛል መናገር ብዙ አልችልም ያፍቲያን እንግዲህ አመስግንልኝ ሁሉንም
በደንብ አመሰግናለሁ ሚና ያመጣሽው ሐሳብ ቆንጆ ሐሳብ ነው አንዴ ፎሎወሩን ካስታደግን በኋላ እንደገና ላይቭ አድርገን ነው ተሰብስበን በደንብ አድርገን እንደገና እንዲገዛ እናደርገዋለን like I said in person ደግሞ ብናየው ሲናገር ስታዩት how professionally dressed ነበረ የእንትኑን የደንቨሩን እሱንም ሼር አደርግላችኋለሁና it's like definitely በጣም ቆንጆ ሐሳብ ነው ያመጣሽው ሚና we'll contact and now we'll make sure to do that እሺ thank you ናርዲዬ እንኳን ደህና መጣሽ እንዴት ነሽ መድረኩን
ሶሪ ሌት ሆኛለሁኝ። ያው ግማሽ አሁን ነው የገባሁት። ቤተሰብ እንግዲህ እኔን ተሰቅዬ ስታዩኝ ኦልሬዲ ነው ምን ታይም እንደሆነ። ጠብ ታይም ላይ ነን። ሁላችሁም ጣታችሁን ፈታ 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 አፍታቱትና አንዴ 50K እናስገባው። 2 ደቂቃ ታፕ 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 ዮፍታዬን ይዛችሁ ጠብ ግንባሩን አይዟችሁ አይፈነዳም። ታፕ 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 እየሄደ አይደለም። ታፕ ታፕ አድርጉ በደንብ ሁላችሁም። አንዴ እዚህ ጋር ያላችሁ 100 ሰዎች 115 ሰዎች ትታዩኛላችሁ። ሁላችሁም አንዴ ስክሪኑን ይዛችሁ ስክሪናችሁ አይሰበርም። ታፕ 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 አድርጉ። ሼር ኮፒ ሊንክ በዛው እግረ መንገዳችሁን እያረጋችሁ ከላይ ደግሞ ታፕ 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 አድርጉ። አይ ኖ ሌት
በዛም
ነው።
ዴሪየስንም ደግሞ ፎሎ እንዲያደርጉት በደንብ እንደዚህ ነገር
እሺ ዴሪየስ ቦይ ኔም ዴሪየስንም በዛው ፋሎ እያረጋችሁት ያላረጋችሁ እያረጋችሁ መጽሐፉንም ደግሞ አማዞን ላይ እየገባችሁ ኦርደር አድርጉ፣ ሰፖርት አድርጉ። እኛ ለኛ እንረዳዳ። ታፕ 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 keep going, keep pushing 2 minutes ነው ያልኩት። 2 minutes ታፕ 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 42K ላይ ደርሰናል። 42K 7 more K ነው የቀረን። ታፕ 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 ሁሉም ጋር እንዲደርስ ታፕ ታፕ እያረጋችሁ የምታረጉ ሰዎች በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። የማታረጉ ሰዎች ደግሞ ይሄ ምንድነው ታፕ ታፕ የምትሉት ከሆነ የዮፍታይ ይታያችኋል። ግንባሩን ይዛችሁ እሱ ያለበት ቦክስ ላይ በጣታችሁ ጣጣጣጣጣጣጣጣጣጣጣጣጣጣጣጣጣጣ አድርጉት። ታፕ 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 ኪፕ ጎውን። ቤተሰብ ፋሎ አድርጉ። ዴሪየስ አካውንትንም ፋሎ እያደረጋችሁ እርስ በርስም ፋሎ የምትፈልጉ ሰዎች ከስር ፋሎ አድርጉኝ ብላችሁ ጻፉ፣ ኮመንት አድርጉ። ፋሎ አድርጉኝ የሚሏችሁንም እየሄዳችሁ ፋሎ ተደራረጉ። እርስ በርሳችን እንጓተት። ታፕ 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 5 more K ነው የቀረን። 5 more K ይቻላል። ኤኒቲንግ ኢዝ ፖሲብል። የ10 ዓመት ልጅ እዚህ ጋር ቡክ ጽፎልን ካመጣ እኛ ደግሞ ይሄንን 50K የማስገባት እንችላለን። ይቻላል። ስለዚህ ታፕ 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 እየደረስን ነው። መሳቆን ትተሽ እህቴ ታፕ ታፕ ወንድሜ ታፕ 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 እሱም እየሳቀ ነው። ያው የሚስቀው ሁላችሁም እየሳቃችሁ ይሄ ፈታ የምትሉበት ነው። በቃ ብሬካችሁ ላይ ናችሁ። ብሬክ 5 more K give me 5 more K ታፕ 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 እያረጋችሁ ጠብ 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 ቀላል ነው። ጠብ 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 ቀላል። በዚሁም እንቅልፉ ምኑም ልቅቅ አርጓችሁ ይሄዳል። ከዚህ ታፕ ታፑን ስታቆሙ ደግሞ አማዞን ላይ ትገቡና ቡክ ቦይ ኔም ዴሪየስ የሚለውን ቡክም ደግሞ ኦርደር እያረጋችሁ እግረ መንገዳችሁን ፋሎ አድርጉት። አጭር ጊዜ ነው የሰማሁት። ሳውንስ ላይክ ኢንስፓየሪንግ ቡክ ነው ለልጆቻችሁም ራሳችሁም ለማንበብ። ታፕ 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 4 more K ደርሰናል። እንችላለን። ደርሰናል። የዮፍታዬ ፋሚሊዎች ደርሰናል። 1 more minute ታፕ 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 3K ነው ቀረው። 3K ይቻላል። 3K እናንተ ምርጦች ውዶችዬ። ውሽ ጣቴ እች ልጅ አትቆምም እንዴ ምናምን እያላችሁ ነው። አቆምላችኋለሁ። 3 more K ስጡኝ። ከዛ በኋላ እኔ ዝም እላለሁኝ፣ አመስግኜ ወርዳለሁኝ። ታፕ 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 ይሄ ድምጽ ይኸውላችሁ ነገ ጠዋትም ስትነሱ የኔን ድምጽ ነው የሚያቃጭልባችሁ። ታፕ 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 ዴ የዚች ልጅ ድምጽ አይጠፋም ከጆሮዬ ነው የምትሉት። ታፕ ታፕ 2 more K ነው የቀረን። በስመ አብ እየሄድን ነው እየሄድን እየተጓዝን 2 more K ታፕ 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 1 more K ስጡኝ። 1 more K ይቻላል። ከስር ኮፒ ሊንክ እያረጋችሁ እግረ መንገዳችሁን ኮፒ ሊንክ ሼር ኮፒ ሊንክ ታፕ 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 እያረጋችሁ ታፕ 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 አቤት ወይ ታፕ ታፕ። ዛሬ ከእንቅልፌም ጠዋት ስነሳ እኔ እንደሆነ ታፕ ታፕ እያልኩ ነው የምነሳው። አላርሜ ሲጮህ ታፕ 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 እውነት ማታም ስተኛ ታፕ ታፕ ጠዋትም ስነሳ ታፕ ታፕ። እንደው ስሜን ራሱ ታፕ ታፕ አድርጌ ልቀይረው ነው ወደ ታፕ ታፕ የምናርዲ በተርፍላይ ታፕ 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 1 more K ነው የቀረን። ሚድናይት ሊሆን ነው እኔ ጋር 1 more K ስጡኝ። 1 more K እኔም ልተኛ ነው። አይዟችሁ እናንተም ውህች ልጅ እያላችሁ ነው። 1 more K ታፕ ታፕ እያረጋችሁ ታፕ 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 ደርሰናል። ኦልሞስት ደርሰናል። ትንሽ ነው ትንሽ ነው የቀረን። ትንሽ ትንሽ ገፋ 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 ፑሽ 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 ኦልሞስት ኦልሞስት ምርጦችዬ ደርሰናል ደርሰናል። እየሄድን ነው እየሄድን ነው። ልንደርስ ትንሽ 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 ነው የቀረን። ትንሽ ታፕ 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 ኦልሞስት 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 ኦልሞስት። ቴንክ ዩ ሶ ማች በጣም አመሰግናለሁ 50K ስላስገባችሁልን። I'm sorry guys.
Thank you, Nadia.
That's a good. Darius, I'm so amazed. I thought it was a grown-up person that wrote the book, and when I heard it was a 10-year-old, I'm just speechless. My kids, I have a 13-year-old and a 6-year-old that reads a book. He just started his chapter book, so this will be like his first gift that I will give it to him. So this will be his first chapter book that he's going to be reading. He does read 30 minutes a day. He's 6 and he already started the chapter book. So this will be like a great way of for him to read. And my 13-year-old, everywhere we go, we are a member of Barnes and Noble. Yeah, Barnes and Noble is expensive, but I have a membership. We buy our books. This is a way we have a conversation about books. So I will buy it and I will also read it, so we can have like an open discussion with my kids about the book, and if they allow me, if my 13 years old allow me to be on, give a review, if she allows me to record her, then we will read it, and then we will put our feedback on TikTok. And thank you for being a brave boy and very inspiring. Mommy, you are a very strong woman from what I'm hearing from you. ብዙ እናቶች ሀበሻ እናቶች እንዳንቺ አይነት ኢንስፓየር የሚያደርጋቸው ጊቭ አፕ እንዳያደርጉ በጣም የሚፈልጉ እናቶች አሉና አይ ዋንት ዩ ቱ ካም ቲክታክ ላይ እንደዚህ ሞር መተሽ ሌሎችም እናቶችን ኢንስፓየር እንድታደርጊ። ቴንክ ዩ ጋይስ ፎር ኦል ዩ ዱ። አይ ዊል ዴፊኒትሊ ዊል ኦርደር ኢት። ዮፍታዬ ደግሞ ቴንክ ዩ ዩ ኦልዌይዝ ብሪንግ አፕ አ ፖዚቲቭ። ከመተኛቴ በፊት ገብቼ ልምጣና እንትን ልበል ብዬ ነው። ቴንክ ዩ በጣም እና ታፕታፕ ያደረጋችሁ እናመሰግናለን ሁላችሁም። ቴንክ ዩ ፍታይ ጉድ ናይት።
እናመሰግናለን።
Thank you.
ቴንክ ዩ ናርዲዬ፣ ሁሌንም ይህንን ኤነርጂ ይዘሽ ስለምትመጪ በጣም እናመሰግንሻለን። የዴሪየስም 10 ዓመቱም የእናቱም ታሪክ ሁላችንንም ልባችንን የሚነካ ስለሆነ በዚያ ላይ መተሽ ደግሞ ነቃቃሽንም እግዚአብሔር ይዋርክሽ። ቴንክ ዩ ናርዲዬ። ዴፊኒትሊ ላንቺም ለልጅሽም ካነበባችሁት በኋላ definitely it would be an amazing inspiration ነው። ኦርደር ማድረግ ለምትፈልጉ በሙሉ አማዞን ላይ ሄዳችሁ a boy named Darius የሚለውን መጽሐፍ please make sure to order it. You will learn a lot from it. Thank you. እንግዲህ ተመልካቾች እስካሁን ቆይተናል። በየሳምንቱ የምናደርገው የእውቀት ጉርሻ ይዘን የምንመጣው መጽሐፎችን፣ ግጥሞችን፣ ጸሐፊዎችንና አንባቢዎችን የምናገናኝበት ሰዓት ነው። So we learned a lot from you. So Darius and Yati, we're almost at the end of our program. I want to come to you, Darius. There is one quote that you have on page, I think it's 30. Can you go to page 34, Darius?
Yes, I can. I'm there.
Okay, you're there. So I love this quote from Michael Jordan that you have. I think you mentioned it. It says, you must expect great things of yourself before you can do them. So what does that quote mean to you?
It means to me is that like if you don't have goals and regulations that you stand by and live with, there's no success that's going to happen because you don't fully believe in your desire and your passion.
That's a lot. That's very deep. So thank you for that. So before we end the show, any question for you and your mom that I'm going to ask? What is it that if I didn't ask you those questions, or is there a page or something that you want to read from your book? For example, Darius, is there any part that you wanted to read for us before we end the program? Or I have my last question.
But for my last comments, I just want to say thank you guys for listening. Thanks for the support, and if you have any questions, I'm willing to answer them.
Yes, definitely. Yati, Darius, I have like one question. I know when you wrote this book, you have a purpose for it. So I don't know if I asked you at the beginning. So why did you write this book, and who this book is for?
It's generally for everybody. And I wrote this book to inspire others and kind of help and guide others.
I like that. Yati, thank you. ልጅሽንም አንተሽ አንድ ፊት ለፊትም ስላገኘሁሽ በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል። እዚህም ደግሞ መተሽ ስለ ልጅሽ አንቺ ያለፍሽውን ታሪክ ቀላል ነገር አይደለም እና ያሳለፋችሁት ድንገት ያልጠየቅኩሽ ጥያቄ ካለ ስለ ልጅሽም ይሁን ለኛም ደግሞ ለህብረተሰቡም መልእክት አለኝ የምትዩ ካለ የመጨረሻ ቃል ከመዝጋታችን በፊት I really appreciate you እና መዝጊያ ቃል ምን ይኖርሻል ብዬ ልጠይቅሽ።
አይ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ ሁላችሁም። ላይክ እንግዲህ 100 ምናምን ሰው ነበር ፋለው የሚያደርገውና ለሁሉም ስማቸውን መጥራት ያ ማህሉዬ እንኳን እዚህ እናገኛታለን። ያ ካንታክት አደርጋታለሁ ችግር የለም። እና ሁላችሁም በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። ያክቲዬ ይሄን ኦርጋናይዝ በማድረግ አይ ነው ሌት ነው በእናንተ ሰዓት ናርዲ ሚድናይት ነው ስትል ነበርና ይሄ this is a lot for him ማለት ጥሩ ነው። በጣም ነው የሚወደው ሀበሻ ኮሚኒቲው በጣም ነው። በተለይ አንተ ካስተዋወቀው በኋላ እንደዚህ ናቸው ማሚ ሀበሻ ኮሚኒቲ is very supportive በጣም 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 እና በጣም ነው ሙቭድ የሆነው። I don't know ካልቸሩም እንዲወድ ሆኗል። ኤቭሪ በቃ ሀበሻ በመልካቸው ነው የሚያውቃቸው። አሁን ማሚ ሀበሻ ነው ይላል እና this is Allah በቃ ይሄ ሰፖርት በቂ ነው። ማንም ሰው ባይገዛው ለኛ በጣም ጥሩ በቃ ይሄ this is very a lot for him like ብዙ ነው ጥሩ ነው ሰፖርት በቂ ነው በቃ በጽሁፉም ፐርቼዝ ባይደረግም ማለት ነው። እና በጣም ሙቭድ ሆነናል። በጣም ደስ ብሎናል። በቃ we love our people እንግዲህ እግዚአብሔር ይስጥልን እግዚአብሔር ያክብርልን። እንግዲህ የ10 ዓመት ልጅ እንደዚህ በክብር አስቀምጣችሁ ሚድናይትም ስራም ጥሎም ይሁን ልጆችም ሳያስተኛ ይሁን ራትም ትቶ ይሁን በጣም ትልቅ ነገር ነው። በጣም ነው የምናመሰግነው። በጣም ክብር ይሰማናል። ሆፍሊ ደግሞ ልጆቻችሁን ልጅ ያላችሁ ሰዎች ደግሞ እንደዚህ እንግዲህ እግዚአብሔር ያሳድግላችሁ። በጣም
አሜን 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 ብለናል። thank you very much. Hinin code ቅድም ማንቦታል. You can always kind of be average and do what's normal. I'm not in this to do what's normal. ብሏል ኮቢ ብራይንት እና let's excel in everything that we do. Excel አድርገን መሄድ የምንችልባቸው መንገዶች ሁሌ መማር ስላለብን it's really an inspiration. You wanted to excel even though you're going and struggling with everything that you're going through. You excelled through the process, not only by beating your disease, but by putting it in a book and by bringing it to all of us. This is what I call what it means excelling. So you didn't give up, you fought until the end, and then you even turned the book, just like the page I said, you put it in writing, you put it for all of us to read, you put it for all of us to be able to follow your journey. So we really, really appreciate you through all this. መልካምዬ መጨረሻ ሳለ ነው የመጣሽው። ሰላም እንበልሽ ብዬ ነው። የምትዩ ቃል ካለ አንቺ ተናግረሽ ከዛ የዛሬውን ፕሮግራም እንጨርሳለን ማለት ነው። መልካምዬ ላንቺ ልስጥሽ።
የፍታዬ እንዴት ነህ? ሰላም ብያለሁ ሁላችሁንም። ገና መግባቴ ነው አልሰማሁም። ሰላም ብያለሁ። Dorius, I'm so proud of you. You're amazing. I didn't really hear what was the story, but it seems you wrote a book. I'm so proud of you. Just keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you.
thank you
Thank you. So once again እያንዳንዳችን በምናልፍበት መንገድ ብዙ ነገሮችን ማሳለፍ እንችላለን አሁን ሩቲ እንዳለችው 98 people ደርሰናል 100 መግባት ብዬ ነበረ እስኪ how many people can follow him quickly to get in to reach that 100 እስኪ እዚሁ ከመውጣታችን በፊት የዴሬስን account we wanted to make sure at least he has 100 followers when we started he had about only 40 followers and then our goal is to make sure that he had 100 and then keep following him so that next time we bring him back he's going to be able to go live and then you're going to be able to see him with his face iski okay thank you ziyalachu ande follow adergutina iski and oh I like this 104 so we have achieved our goal but keep going and keep following him I think he needs about like 200 to be able to go live so let's see definitely we'll keep continuing and promoting him you're going to learn a lot from each from his mom, parents, and also from Daria. So once again, thank you. Rutiye kamezgatachin befit menager mitfelgiu neger kalle then we'll close it right after that.
Thank you. Any questions?
Okay. Ruti, anything you want to add?
I mean, of course, ጊዜያችንም ሄዷል እነሱንም ረጅም ሰዓት ይዘናቸዋል ሌላውንም ሰው ሌላ ጊዜ ግን በድጋሚ እስኪመጣ I cannot wait እና መጽሐፉንም አንብቤ ደግሞ ሞር ጥያቄ ይኖረኛል For Darius, I'm so proud of you. I'm so inspired by you. And then for sure you are going to inspire thousands of people in your journey to MBA. So thank you for coming and sharing your story. ለማሚም ደግሞ በጣም እናመሰግናለን ስለመጣሽ እና ይሄንን የሚገርም ታሪክ ሼር ስላደረግሽን እና ደግሞ ይሄን የመሰለ አሜዚንግ ያንግ ቦይ ያሳደግሽልን ስላለሽ በቃ ጄነሬሽኑን በቃ እንደዚህ በሚገርም ሁኔታ እየቀረጽሽ ስላለሽ በጣም እናመሰግንሻለን አባቱንም እንደዛው thank you
Ruti thank you በጣም እናመሰግናለን
Thank you. ዝርት መዝጊያ ቃል መናገር የምትፈልጊው ካለ
በጣም እናመሰግናለን ይሄንን ይጠቅማል ብለሽ ለሁላችንም ይሄንን ስቶሪ በመጽሐፍ ደረጃ እንደገና እዚህ መታችሁ ሁለታችሁም ስላስተማራችሁን ሁሉ እናመሰግናለን ደሬን I know you will reach your dream and I really inspired by your strength and you know writing a book is not easy and I'm really proud of you and I hope I will see you soon in your page and I already follow you and we will see you soon. I think everybody wanna see you. So I think everyone in this room follow you already. በጣም እናመሰግናለን thank you ስላደረጋችሁት ሁሉ ለኛም ይሄንን ስላቀረባችሁልን እና ብዙ ተምረናል እናመሰግናችኋለን እግዚአብሔር ደግሞ የሚቀጥለውን ሁሉ የህይወት ጊዜያችሁን ያማረ እንዲያደርግላችሁ እመኛለሁ
thank you እናመሰግናለን
ሜላቲዬ መዝጊያ ቃል
እኔ አንድ የምትዘጋ ልጅ መታለች እዚህ ጋር you want to say something Bella? Yeah. You need to say it loud, okay?
I'm reading your book and it's just amazing and I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you want to meet him? You know he's in Colorado.
He lives in the state. Do you want to meet him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll call mommy and we'll connect, okay? Thank you for reading. Thank you for the positive comment.
Awesome. They're willing, Yari. I was actually
Thank you. በጣም እናመሰግናለን የፍትዬ በጣም ነው የምናመሰግን በጣም ነው የምናከብር እግዚአብሔር ይስጥ እግዚአብሔር ያክብርልኝ thank you ደውልላችኋለሁ
okay thank you ለሁላችሁም እንግዲህ ከመውጣታችሁ በፊት make sure boy named Dariusን ከአማዞን ላይ ሄዳችሁ እንድትገዙት ይሄ ፕሮግራም ደግሞ ካመለጣችሁ ላስት ሚኒት ከሆነ ከናችሁ ቱሞሮ ከነገ ጀምሮ ዩቲዩብ ቻናሌ ላይ የዮፍታሄ ሾው ላይ ፖስት ስለማደርገው እዚህ ያላችሁም ደግሞ የዮፍታሄ ሾው ዩቲዩብ ላይ ሄዳችሁ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ፎሎ በማድረግ እዛም ደግሞ ሙሉን ፕሮግራም መልሳችሁ ታገኙታላችሁ። እግዚአብሔር ይባርክልን፣ ሀገራችንን ሰላም ያርግልን። በየሳምንቱ የምናቀርበው 4 ፕሮግራሞች አሉ። ማክሰኞ Ask the Lawyer የተለያዩ ጠበቃዎችን በመምጣት ከነሱ ጋር የምንወያይበት የኢሚግሬሽን ጥያቄ ላይ የምጠይቁበት ሰዓት ነው። ሐሙስ የእውቀት ጉርሻ ጸሐፊዎችን ገጣሚዎችን በመምጣት አብረን የምንወያይበት ነው። ቅዳሜ Ask the Doctor በጤናችን በሚል ስለ ጤና ዶክተሮችን በመምጣት ከነሱ ጋር የምንወያይበት ሰዓት ነው። እሁድ ደግሞ ጎረቤት ቤት በሚል ጉርብትናን አብረን መስራትን አብሮ መብላትን የምንማርበት ሌላውን የምናከብርበት ኢትዮጵያን የምንገነባበት መንገድ ነውና ቲክቶክንም ሶሻል ሚዲያንም ለጥሩ ነገር መጠቀም እንችላለን። ቲክቶክ መጥፎ ነው ከማለት ውጭ ተነስተን አብረን የምንሰራበትን መንገዶችን አብረን እንድንሰራ አብረን እንድንተጋገዝ የምናደርገው ፕሮግራም ስለሆነ እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ በማለት በጣም እናመሰግናለን። ዘምዬ ነው መጨረሻ ሰዓት ላይ ነው የመጣሽው የምትይን ብለን እንዘጋለን። ወደ አንቺ ልምጣ። ተማሻል ተማሻል ኦኬ። ስለዚህ እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ። እንግዲህ በጣም እናመሰግናለን። የዛሬ ፕሮግራማችንን እዚህ ላይ ጨርሰናል። we'll see you next time በተለየ ፕሮግራም እስከምንገናኝ ድረስ ሀገራችንን ሰላም ያርግልን። Darius and Yati, I really appreciate you for taking time. I know you just came from basketball. I thought you were going to be tired, but you had the full energy. I wish we were able to see you. That would have been really good, but we'll make sure that you have enough followers for next time when you go live. And you have gained over 60 followers today. So that's my itself an accomplishment. And I hope so many people have ordered the book. And then we're going to expect more books from you. But we are here inspired. Yatiyen dagana, but not in the bicha sahon. Levrat sabum, lanyam, road to healing and is and met direction and support bamulu. Xavier Yivarkish elallo. We have a lot to do. There's Versace Nikawabaran, Versace Abran and Nisralallo. የሚቀጥለው ፕሮግራም እስከምንገናኝ ደህና ደሩልን። እግዚአብሔር ይባርካችሁ ሁላችሁንም።
Thank you.
Okay, good night everyone. See you until the next one.
Thank you.
Bye bye.